We have a summation here, and we're being asked to change 3 of the plus signs into minus signs to get 100. How many different ways can we do this? Well, the first thing is to work out this summation, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on. And there's a really quick way of doing this. It's worth knowing. It's actually the formula for triangle numbers. There's a half n, n plus 1. Triangle numbers are numbers like 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and so on, which is exactly what we're doing here. So in our case, we're looking for the 20th triangle number. Forget about this 0, basically. So it's going to be a half times 20 times 21, which is 10 times 21, which is 210. The other way to do this summation, if you don't realize that, is to kind of use the ideas of the proof for this triangle number formula and start pairing numbers up. So we could pair up the 20 and the 1 to give 21, and then the 2 and the 19 to give 21, and all the way along up to 10 and 11. Now actually there's 10 pairs of 21, so that is essentially where the formula comes from. You can generalize it to n. Anyway, we've got a summation and it's 210. Now we need to change some of the signs around to get 100. So actually what we need to do, we need to subtract. We don't want to subtract 110 actually, we just want to subtract half of it, 55. Because if we subtract 55, then we won't be adding 55 and we'll be minusing 55. So we'll have the net effect of decreasing the sum by 110. Okay, it just needs to be enough explanation, I think, for where that comes from. Right, now how can we get 55? So work systematically through these numbers now. 55 is quite a big number. So what if we change signs for the largest ones, 20, 18, and 17? Then this would be, sorry, what am I doing? 20, 19, and 18. I just gave you one of the solutions there. 20, 19, and 18 would be 57. So actually it's too big. So we can kind of work our way back down. We can see that we could have 20, 19, keep the biggest two, and then 16. That would work. So if we change the signs for 20, 19, and 16, we'll now be subtracting 55 and not adding 55, which will mean it reduces by 110 and hence goes to 100. Right, I've gone with the largest two, so that's going to be the only way. So only way with 20 and 19. So now let's keep 20 and go with 18. So if I decrease this one by 1, I'm going to need to increase this one by 1. All right, it's the only way with 20 and 18. If I go with 20 and 17 as my next one, too small. Okay, I'd have to go with 18, but I'm kind of going down. Too small unless use 18. And I kind of meant that up here as well. Like if I do 20, 19, and 15, obviously it's going to be too small. Right, so I've done all the options with 20 in. So the only other one is to try 19, 18, 17. Wait, yeah, I can't. That's going to be too small as well. 54. I'd need 19, 18, and 18 for this to work. All others will be too small. So we've got these two options, 20, 18, and 17, and 20, 19, and 16. Those ones, if we change the sign, then we will manage to get 100. So overall, there are two ways. Neat.